Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about fundamental rights. Fundamental rights. This topic forms the very bedrock of our identity as citizens of a democratic nation. Fundamental rights. These rights are the pillars upon which the edifice of our democratic society stands. They are not mere constitutional promises. They are the soul of our freedom, the shield of our dignity, and the sword of our justice. When we talk about a democratic nation, we often speak about elections, voting rights, political representation, and majority rule. But democracy is much more than that. At its heart lies the recognition and protection of individual rights and freedoms. Without the guarantee of fundamental rights, democracy would be nothing but an empty shell. Let us first understand what are fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights enshrined in the Constitution of India, which are guaranteed to all citizens, regardless of their caste, creed, religion, gender, or place of birth. These rights are essential for the holistic development of individuals and for maintaining the spirit of liberty, equality, and justice. The framers of our Constitution were deeply influenced by global struggles for human rights and freedom. They studied the constitutions of various democratic countries, the Bill of Rights from the United States, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and other international charters. With a vision to ensure justice and equality for all, they incorporated a distinct and powerful chapter in our Constitution. Let's take a closer look at the six fundamental rights enshrined in our Constitution. Right to equality, Articles 14 to 18. The right to equality ensures that every citizen is treated equally before the law. It prohibits discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. It also abolishes untouchability and titles that create artificial distinctions in society. This right reflects the principle that no one is above the law, not even those in power. It guarantees equal opportunity in matters of public employment and education. Despite social and economic disparities, this right acts as a strong constitutional tool to bridge inequalities. Right to freedom. Articles 19 to 22. The right to freedom includes several important freedoms, such as freedom of speech and expression, freedom to assemble peacefully, freedom to form associations, freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India, freedom to reside in any part of the country, freedom to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade, or business. These freedoms are essential for the person and intellectual development of individuals. They allow people to express their thoughts, debate ideas, form opinions, and participate actively in the democratic process. This right also ensures protection of life and personal liberty and provides safeguards in case of arrest or detention. However, these freedoms are not absolute. They can be reasonably restricted in the interest of public order, morality, and national security. The balance between individual liberty and social interest is what makes a democracy vibrant and responsible. Right against exploitation, Articles 23 and 24. This right aims to protect individuals from all forms of exploitation. It prohibits human trafficking, forced right against exploitation, Articles 23 and 24. This right aims to protect individuals from all forms of exploitation. It prohibits human trafficking, forced labor, and child labor. In a country where economic inequalities can push people into vulnerable conditions, this right acts as a strong safeguard. It is a matter of great pride that our Constitution recognized the importance of protecting human dignity at a time when exploitation was rampant in many parts of the world. Even today, we must be vigilant to ensure this right is upheld and no individual is subjected to degrading treatment or unfair labor. Right to freedom of religion. India is a diverse land of multiple religions, beliefs, and practices. The right to freedom of religion gives every citizen the freedom to profess, practice, and propagate any religion of their choice. It also allows individuals to not follow any religion if they so choose. This right ensures that the state remains secular. It does not favor or discriminate against any religion. This provision has been crucial in maintaining communal harmony and religious tolerance in our country, even amidst differences and occasional tensions. Religious freedom is a cornerstone of individual liberty. However, it comes with the responsibility to ensure that religious practices do not violate public order, morality, or health. Cultural and educational rights, Articles 29 and 30. India is not just a country, it is a tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions. The cultural and educational rights protect the rights of minorities to preserve their culture, language, and script. It also gives them the right to establish and administer their own educational institutions. These rights are a celebration of India's diversity. They ensure that no culture is left behind and that our educational system reflects the inclusive nature of our society. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 32. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the principal architect of our Constitution, called Article 32 the heart and soul of the Constitution. This right allows individuals to approach the Supreme Court or High Courts directly if their fundamental rights are violated. It is this right that empowers citizens to challenge the actions of the state and ensure accountability. The judiciary plays a crucial role in protecting the rights of citizens through writs such as habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto, and certiorari. Without this right, all other fundamental rights would be meaningless because there would be no mechanism to enforce them.